Discover the most flattering modern shag haircuts that take years off your face. Ready for a stylish, low-maintenance transformation? Well, the feathered Pixie shag. This volume-boosting cut is perfect for fine hair. It softly frames the face and offers natural elegance for those who want an energetic look without daily styling hassles. Ideal for round faces wanting to define the jawline. With its dynamic layers, it is a top choice for women looking for a youthful, fresh, and modern appearance. The voluminous salt and pepper shag. A fantastic way to embrace natural grays. This cut adds incredible body to thinning hair and gives a sophisticated yet rebellious vibe for women who want to stand out. Suits oval and long face shapes perfectly by adding width through textured layers. It is the ultimate choice for a confident transition to silver hair with minimal upkeep. The Shoulder-Grazing Wavy Shag. Excellent for women with naturally wavy or curly hair. The strategic layers prevent the triangle effect and offer a bouncy, lively silhouette that takes years off. A versatile length that flatters square and heart-shaped faces. It requires very little styling, making it perfect for active mature women who want a feminine touch. The Asymmetrical Choppy Shag. For the bold woman who wants to make a statement. The uneven, choppy ends create an edgy, modern texture that draws attention away from fine lines and wrinkles. Particularly striking on diamond and oval faces. This cut brings an instant facelift effect and shows off a fun, artistic personality with minimal daily effort. 5. The Face Framing Layered Shag. A classic that never fails. The layers curve inward to hug the cheekbones, highlighting your best features while providing excellent movement for thick or heavy hair. Ideal for softening harsh jawlines on square faces. It delivers a polished, elegant look that manages to feel incredibly youthful and breezy at the same time. 6. The Curly Bob Shag. Designed specifically to let natural curls shine. It removes bulk from the bottom, preventing the dreaded pyramid shape, leaving bouncy, defined, and healthy curls. Perfect for women with tight or loose curls who want a wash-and-go style. The rounded shape flatters long faces by adding width and youthful energy instantly. 7. The Shaggy Mullet. A modern, softer take on a retro favorite. With shorter layers on top for volume and length in the back, it is perfect for the trendy, confident senior. Works wonders on heart-shaped faces by balancing a wider forehead. It provides a highly fashionable, edgy look without requiring hours in front of the mirror. 8. The Soft Textured Lob Shag. A longer bob infused with shaggy, broken layers. It is the perfect compromise for women who want to keep some length, but crave the lifting effect of a shorter cut. Exceptionally flattering for round and oval faces. This style is low maintenance, chic, and allows for easy updos, making it incredibly practical for busy lifestyles. 9. The Wispy Bangs Shag. The ultimate anti-aging secret. The soft, see-through fringe cleverly hides forehead wrinkles while the shaggy layers bring a fresh, playful frame to the eyes. Suitable for almost all face shapes, especially long or angular faces. It softens sharp features and brings a romantic, youthful glow to any mature woman. 10. The Razor Cut Short Shag. Created with a razor instead of scissors for perfectly tapered, wispy ends. This technique removes heaviness and adds massive texture for a lightweight, airy feel. Brilliant for thick hair that needs taming. It flatters oval and heart-shaped faces, offering a chic, modern, and slightly messy look that is effortless to style daily.